Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. For Ethereum here, again, also similar to Bitcoin, no change really in outlook. I believe we are currently only in a retracement in a larger bull run, or let's call it bull run, let's call it rally. Yeah, maybe better than bull run. We have two possibilities here. I'm not going to go through them again, because I can't do that in every video. If you want to know the two key scenarios that are unfolding here, then take a look at the previous video from today. I really just in this video would like to update you about the most imminent wave count here and what is happening according to my primary expectation. In my opinion, what we have seen here is already the wave A down. So obviously we peaked here in a wave 1. We would now, based on this wave count, be in a wave 2 correction. The ideal target for that wave 2 correction is the $1,830 level. That is the 1.618 Fibonacci extension level. We can also look at a wider area because, of course, it's only probabilities. The price might look for an ideal level itself, not necessarily that 1.618, even though it is the ideal level to complete this correction. Another level that might be worth looking at is here the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level at 1845, even though I think that's probably a bit too high. I think we're going to drop a bit lower. The next level would be here the previous wave 1 high, that is the 50% Fibonacci retracement level at 1790, and then I think and that should be strong support is here the 61.8% Fib level. If we lose all of these previous support levels, we're probably going to find some support there. That is at 1735, 61.8% Fib level, because here we have the yellow line. What is the yellow line? The yellow line is the 50-day moving average. Quite a relevant support level, as you can see in this whole move to the upside. It has provided support here, near enough here, and it might do that again now. So in my opinion, that wave A is done, the wave B is done, and I think we have a wave C here still unfolding. In this scenario, we do have the wave A as a 3-wave move, the wave B as a 3-wave move, and the wave C as a 5-wave move. That makes sense as well because of the retracement of the wave B. The wave B retraced quite strongly, which means if the wave B goes quite high and gets quite close to the beginning of the wave A, then it is a so-called flat pattern. At least that is what we can consider. And if you have a flat pattern, the wave C is normally very steep, and you can see that very clearly. The wave C is normally steeper than the wave A. And you can see here the wave A wasn't that steep, moved sideways first, yes, then came down quite steeply, but overall the complete wave C here seems to be much more impulsive, as it is a 5-wave move, so it makes actually sense. That makes sense because the wave A is only a 3-wave move. It's a corrective move, so it is not that steep, not that strong. And again, the ideal level here would be the 1.618 extension of the wave A. That is 1830 to complete the wave 2. This entire wave count would really only be invalidated if we go, I'm just thinking, did I give you the wrong levels? Let me just check that. We needed to, no, I did. Sorry about that. I gave you the wrong levels here for the retracements. Let's rewind that. No, we need to take the beginning of the wave 1, of course, which was, hold on, no, it was all correct. Forget about that. Forget about that. It was a long day. No, it was all correct. It was all correct. We want to start down here, at the beginning of that green wave 1, because that consisted of the wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All fine. This was a leading diagonal. Overall, after this wave 2, we would consider to move back in a wave 3 to the upside. That could be then quite bullish, should take us into the green range, which is my target range. And from that point of view, all fine. All of this, again, will be valid, this wave count, as long as we are holding, actually down here, the 1560 level, but already below that significant swing low at 1660. I would already keep an eye on that green target area down here, because then it is more likely that we will not go much higher and we will come down straight away in this wave 2 correction. So there are these two possibilities. First one, that we go much higher in an impulsive wave structure and we'll finish wave 5 up there. The other scenario, and that is the alternative, is that wave 5 was finished here and we're only now in a corrective wave, which will come down into a wave 2 target range. From there, it would then have a chance to move to the upside very bullishly. But overall, it's all speculation, and until we see evidence, which would mean a move below 1660, for example, only then I would consider this more likely that we will actually already get into this range, okay? For now, I think we're pushing higher. For now, it's just a retracement in an uptrend, which is needed. I mentioned yesterday the need to breathe in and breathe out. We can't only go up, we also need to come down at times. And overall, looking at the indicators here, especially on the 4-hour chart, yeah, I mean, we are currently, as per what the price is doing, coming down. There is not really a reduction in negative momentum visible on the chart. No, it's not yet. So for now, I think also in line with the Elliott wave count, I don't think this move down is finished. It's just a corrective wave, which I think is going to come down a bit more. Yes, here on the 1-hour chart, you see a slight bullish divergence on the RSI, but it's, in my opinion, meaningless at the moment. It's just a 1-hour chart, and I think the wave count would suggest we come down a little bit lower. Alright, and that is my update about Ethereum. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.